And so here's the new VAT quiz code that you should be going to work on. And if we go to it, and I'll click on my name, and let's do this first one, and it says 2x plus 1 equals 1. If I subtract 1 from both sides, remember down the middle where the equal sign is, and we're going to get 2x, the 1 and negative 1 go away, the 1 and negative 1 go away, so I get equals 0 divided by 2. Well, 0 divided by 2 is still 0. So the answer to this one is 0. And let's try one more while I'm here. 2x minus 3 equals 5. And remember the equal sign is down the middle. So I'm going to do the opposite of minus 3, which is plus 3 on both sides of the line. And then my 2x comes down. The negative 3 and 3, they go away. 5 plus 3 gives me 8. And then I'm going to divide by 2, x equals 4. So the answer to this one is going to be 4. And let me get that in there, 4. There you go. Well, there's my video. If you guys don't get it all done, I will see if you have questions. Feel free to message me on Google Classroom or on the ISD535.org web. So you can send me questions there, and if you need me to, I'll make more videos.